Get set, Goa. गोवा असा तयार.
आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की नॅशनल गेम्स येदो व्हडलो इव्हेंट आज गोंयांत जाता आनी तो इव्हेंट पळोवपा खातीर गोंयकार सगळे उत्सूक आसा. विशेश करून गोंयकार युवा खेळाडू, गोंयकार जांकां खेळाची आवड आसा, खेळाचो मोग आसा, अशे समेस्त सगळे युवा मित्र आनी मैत्रिणी ह्या सगळ्यांनी वांटेकारी जावचे, ह्या सगळ्यांनी पार्टिसिपेट जावचे. थोडे जाण खेळांत पार्टिसिपेट जातले, थोडे जाण पळोवपाक येतले. म्हाका खास करून सांगपाक खूब खोस भोगता तांच्या मदीं हांव पुराय प्रोग्रामाची जागृती करपा खातीर खंयच्या दिसा खंयच्यो गेम्स आसतल्यो त्या निमित्तान सगळ्यांक कळपाकूय जाय आनी त्योच कळपा खातीर आमची टॉर्च रॅली जी आसा ही काणकोणच्यान पेडण्या पर्यंत आनी परत एकदां पेडणेच्यान पणजे पर्यंत तशीच ती वाळपयच्यान दाबोळी पर्यंत ह्या सगळ्या तालुक्यांनी सगळ्यांक अवेरनेस करपा खातीर सगळ्यांच्या मदीं एक उत्सुकता वाडोवपाक वयतले. सगळ्यांच्या मदीं हर म्हाका वचपाक जाय. ह्या तारखेक हांव बॅडमिंटन पळोवपाक वयतलो, खो खो पळोवपाक वयतलो, बाकीचे खेळ पळोवपाक वयतलो. ही जी उत्सुकता युवकांच्या मनांत आसा ही आनीकूय बी खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाडोवपाक जाय. ताच्याच खातीर टॉर्च रॅली करून सगळे जे स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट, स्पोर्ट्स असोसिएशन विशेष करून जे पार्टिसिपेट जातात हे सगळे जाण ह्या टॉर्च रॅलीचे जशें मंत्री बाबेन सांगल्या त्या प्रमाणे आमचे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर जो हेड ऑफ दॅट तालुका जरी आसलो जाल्यार विशेष करून आमचे थंयसले स्पोर्ट्स टीम म्हणजे पी टिचर्स, फिजिकल एड्युकेशन टीचर, NSS व्हॉलंटियर, ChannelCheck व्हॉलंटियर, यूथ क्लब, म्हाका दिसता गांवांतल्या यूथ क्लबांनी इनिशिएटीव घेवचे.
Yeah, today we have kicked off the torch rally, which will go from each and every talukas of the state of Goa. The SDM of these respective talukas is going to welcome, along with other dignitaries, the most professional or the national or the international caliber athletes. Is also presence will be there in the respective field. Right now, from the 11th of October, the rally is going to be commenced from the Kankon. It will go to the Pednem and back to the Tiswadi. Only intention is that total awareness has to be happen in rural area especially, and in the evening time also in the schools, majority of the schools which are there on the highways or the rural areas where the number is also high, we are also going to take this rally to the respective schools with the concern the management and the headmasters. They are going to click the photographs, they are going to put it on the Instagram, the social media platform. Only intention is that the young budding minds or the athletes should come out with the same motivation. They should come and watch all the matches, and they had to create the interest among the different disciplines are there. Whatever the chosen field or the chosen discipline they can put, because everybody is playing cricket, everybody is playing football. But rather than this high priority sports, there are many sports where there is ample opportunity, where there is ample they can explore in the individual capacity, because every student or the athlete has got some talent to tackle or to shine in that respective field. So I think this is the most advantage of this torch rally, to go from one place to another. So every people, even I believe that when we have launched the Moga, that is the mascot, at that time who is Moga, where is Moga, what is it? This campaign has been clicked not into the streets, but it has been reached to the kitchen, where mom is asking to their children, what is this, what is Moga? Then it is come to know that it is a Shubhankar, what we call in the Marathi, that is the mascot, which is the very important aspects for the any event or for the national games.
So Goa is a ground level, how is the proposal?
Definitely Goa is all set to go for the 37th National Games. My officials, all the agencies are working very day night. Even the Honorable Chief Minister, myself, is going and inspecting the sites. But it is not only the game of, as already Honorable Chief Minister has said, that this is not the game only of the Sports Minister or the Chief Minister or the government. It is the game of all the people. And where we are creating a platform, we are giving the platform to the Indian athletes to shine at the international level.
Sir.
Definitely, as I already mentioned you, that it is up to the athletes how they perform, how they are going to put their every dedication and the effort, hard work pace. Actually, from day before yesterday onwards, I have decided and I have started the visiting to each and every practice venue which has been already selected by the respective associations. I am also going to cheer them, but to frank to tell, it is not possible openly and come and to give a boost to all these people, because I am the organizer. Goa is the organizer where I am playing a very crucial role in it. So I say that all the best to each and every participant from across the country. Media to visit the every venues. It will be open for the every media. Tomorrow at 10:30, 10 a.m. the Honorable Chief Minister is going to the Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. Day after tomorrow, the Honorable Chief Minister along with the Sports Minister and all the technical team is going to visit to the Kampal complex. Then day after tomorrow, the Padam Sports Complex. On 16, we are going to the major Pigeon Stadium and the Navelin Sports. These are the major 5 complexes which all we are set. See, one thing is that don't depend upon the speculations of the other people who is going to come and getting some news on the print media or the electronic media. But you must know the fact and factual. There are almost from today only almost 10 or 12 days has been remained for the hosting of the national games. By that time, we are confident that these games will be the biggest successful games ever in the country.